根据报道，近日在洛杉矶港和长滩港共1.5万名卸载货物的码头工人中，有约800人因确诊或疑似接触中共病毒后遭到强制隔离。因此，在劳动力短缺的情况下，洛杉矶港和长滩港面临了船只交通的严重拥堵。资料显示，截至2月22日，双港约有102艘船停靠，下锚等待停泊的集装箱船有30艘，港口共有44艘船已经下锚，其中有30艘等待停泊。
The American public is buying stuff. It's everything from PPE to home improvement stuff. They don't go out to restaurants anymore, so they're remodeling their homes, restocking the shelves, all that kind of stuff. And then the land-based supply system, trucks, trains, warehouses are inefficient because of COVID protocols. So you have more stuff and a less efficient distribution system.
洛杉矶港数据指出，从2020年底起，洛杉矶和长滩双港突然暴增并持续增加的货柜量，在今年创下1月份纪录新高。但货柜量的激增也造成严重的交通拥堵。对此，海洋交易所主任洛蒂特表示，港口交通拥堵势必会对购买商品的消费者造成不便，但是海洋交易所将在每周7天、每天24小时的运营下，维持港口交通的稳定运作。
Nothing bad is going to happen. It's just inefficient. So we track the ships from 4 days out. If they're going to a berth, we make sure they get to the berth safely. If their berth is not available and they need to anchor, we give them a safe anchorage. And when there is a berth available for them to unload their cargo, we make sure that they move from their anchorage to their berth safely.
根据港口数据，洛杉矶港1月份的进口量比去年1月增加了约5.5%，出口量则下降了近19.5%，而长滩港的1月份进口量则突破有史以来最高，上涨约22%，其出口量也增加了7%。新唐人记者王自怡、江琳达洛杉矶采访报道。